Good morning, all. This is Himanshu Gaur, PGDM 118103, and the topic for my presentation is Group Decision Support System, that is GDSS. And I have this PPT in my phone, so I'll be using it. So, what is actually a GDSS? That is a Group Decision Support System. So, it is a computer based system or a software, you can say, which helps in facilitating the decision on which a group of individuals are working on. They're working to find a solution. And how is this possible? So, what actually a GDSS does is it takes input from multiple users interacting simultaneously with the system and thus arrives at a proper decision. The tools and the techniques provided by the group decision support system, that is GDSS, basically helps in improving the quality and effectiveness of the group meetings. So the main function of this GDSS is to make the communication proper, functional, and effective between the decision makers, so that a sound decision can be made. So now we'll be talking about components of group decision support system, and we have three components. That is hardware, software tools, and people. So the first tool is hardware, and it includes electronic hardware devices like computer, equipments, printer, networking tools, and a proper internet connection, audiovisual equipments, cameras, chairs, tables, conferencing facilities, all the things which are physically present and which are necessary for a group decision to be made. So the second tool is software tools, and these are basically electronic questionnaires and brainstorming tools, any data, any information, software tools which basically help in group meetings. So software and hardware become two opposite things, and basically hardware is the computer, so software becomes a software, the uh, application that you have in your computer which is helping you to make video calls, and also this is basically how software makes GDSS more productive. So the third important tool is the people, a person or a group of people who are actually a part of the GDSS system, or excuse me, or a trainer, or basically the leader who is leading the GDSS system, who is leading a group of people. So we have three components now. First is hardware, second is software, and the third is people. All of these three are very important and equally important. So next point is features of a group decision support system. The first is ease of use. It makes the meetings, it makes the decision making process very easy with a very interactive interface, and becomes easy. The whole process becomes so easy in an interactive way that it doesn't seem like that we're doing any sort of work or it was so difficult. And since the second point is better decision making, it becomes really easy because conference rooms are a cumulative of different people sitting to give cumulative answers and a cumulative decision. So what GDSS does is it collects all the data and gives a cumulative answer, which happens to be the best decision. So the second point becomes better decision making. And the third point is it helps in solving out the semi-structured or unstructured decision. See, structured decision is an issue which, for example, you can say it happened 2 years or 1 year back in an organization, and now you know what has to be done. But when it comes to semi-structured or unstructured decision, it is basically new to the company or the organization or the person, and he doesn't know what exactly needs to be done. So with a group of people in the GDSS and with the software and hardware, it becomes easy to come out with a better decision, as GDSS takes all the cumulative points and then gives you the best answer. So, and then we come to the point supports positive group behavior, and this is very important because it actually doesn't take the people in a room. It is a video conferencing tool, so people can keep out their views, keep out their points without being criticized or without being in a way that they will be criticized. So now we come to group decision support system software tools. First is electronic question. It is basically a tool to find out what actually the audience thinks, what actually a group of people thinks. So basically, you can come out with a decision which is at par with the audience and thus helps in the growth of the company. And the second is electronic. Second is electronic brainstorming. So this is what GDSS does is it helps to get the ideas out from the mind of the people. So what actually it is, says what are your points and what are your thoughts on this, and you give your thought, 2 to 3 thoughts. So if there are 20 people in a GDSS system, 20 into 3, it becomes 60 points. So now you have 60 points, which is a really good thing.